Welcome back to the Money Mind Book Club. Today we're diving into a book that's changed millions of lives, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. This isn't just a get-rich-quick guide, it's a blueprint for unlocking the power of your mind and turning ideas into reality. Hill spent decades interviewing legends like Edison and Ford, discovering that all achievement starts with a single idea. Get ready to unpack the 13 principles that can transform your life. Let's get started. The first principle is desire, not just wishing, but a burning, all-consuming goal. Take Edwin C. Barnes. He had nothing but a fierce desire to work with Edison. He traveled across the country, showed up unannounced, and took any job just to be near Edison. Years passed, but Barnes never lost sight of his goal. When the opportunity came, he seized it and became Edison's partner. Barnes proved that relentless desire backed by action is the true starting point of all achievement. It's not about what you have, it's about how badly you want it. That's the foundation of every success story. Next is faith. The unshakable belief that you can achieve your goal, even when there's no evidence yet. Hill says faith isn't just luck, it's built by feeding your mind affirmations and visualizations. You act, talk, and decide as if you've already succeeded. Whatever the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve. Your beliefs filter your reality. If you expect success, you'll find ways to make it happen. Without faith, desire fades. With faith, it becomes unstoppable. Start believing before you see results. The third principle is autosuggestion, deliberately programming your subconscious with your goals. Write a clear, specific statement of your chief aim. Read it aloud every morning and night, feeling the emotion as if it's already true. Your subconscious accepts what you repeatedly tell it, especially with emotion. This daily ritual reprograms your mind for success. It's not magic, it's mental conditioning. Plant the seeds you want to grow. The fourth principle is specialized knowledge. You don't need to know everything, just what's essential for your goal. Henry Ford surrounded himself with experts and didn't waste time on trivia. True intelligence is knowing where to find answers and how to organize knowledge into action. Build your team, seek out specialists, and focus on your vision. Don't let "I don't know how" stop you. Find those who do. Imagination is the workshop of the mind, where ideas take shape. Hill describes two types: synthetic, rearranging old ideas, and creative, new inspired ideas. Every invention, every fortune started as a thought. Exercise your imagination by asking "what if?" and seeking solutions where others see problems. Feed your mind new information and challenge the status quo. Your imagination is limitless. Use it to solve problems and create value. Start today by imagining how you can help others. Principle 6 is organized planning, turning ideas into actionable steps. A goal without a plan is just a wish. Write down detailed steps, assemble your team, and expect your first plan to fail. Then adjust and try again. Don't wait for perfection, take action, and learn as you go. Momentum beats endless planning. Start now, adapt, and keep moving forward. Action is the antidote to fear. Decision is what separates achievers from dreamers. Successful people make decisions quickly and stick to them. Indecision breeds fear and keeps you stuck. Practice making small decisions fast to build your decisiveness muscle. When it's time for big choices, gather facts, trust your gut, and commit. A made-up mind is a powerful force. Don't let doubt paralyze you. Decide and act. Persistence is the engine that keeps you moving when things get tough. Barnes didn't get instant success. He persisted for years. Most people quit just before they succeed. Temporary defeat isn't failure, it's a test of your resolve. Build persistence with a clear purpose, a solid plan, and a supportive circle. Shut out negativity and keep drilling even when you're tired. The universe tests your commitment before delivering rewards. Never give up. Persistence guarantees results. The Mastermind Principle is about harnessing collective intelligence. Surround yourself with people who share your vision and challenge you to grow. A true mastermind group multiplies your ideas, energy, and accountability. No one succeeds alone. Ford, Edison, and Carnegie all had powerful teams. Choose your allies wisely and work in harmony. Tap into the power of many minds focused on one goal. Sex transmutation is about channeling your most powerful energy into creativity and achievement. Instead of dissipating this energy, redirect it toward your goals and passions. This drive fuels charisma, creativity, and persistence. Don't suppress, transform. Use your passion as fuel for your ambitions. Master this and you'll never run out of energy for success. Your subconscious mind is your inner GPS, working non-stop to bring your dominant thoughts to life. Guard your thoughts. What you dwell on, you attract. Feed your subconscious with positive, empowering beliefs through desire, faith, and autosuggestion. Visualize your success and repeat affirmations with conviction. You are the gatekeeper. Choose what you allow in. Program your mind for abundance and watch your reality change. The brain is both a transmitter and receiver of thought. Focused emotional thoughts broadcast powerful signals that attract opportunities and people. Mastermind groups amplify this effect, creating a stronger signal. Keep your mental broadcast clear. Eliminate fear and doubt. Tune your mind to the frequency of success. Your brain is your most powerful transmitter. Use it wisely. The final principle is the sixth sense. Intuition, or direct access to infinite intelligence. This hunch or gut feeling guides you to the right decisions and opportunities. It develops after you master the other principles and clear your mind of fear. Trust your intuition when it speaks. The sixth sense is the ultimate tool for success. Let it guide you to your next breakthrough. Before you can apply these principles, you must conquer the 6 ghosts of fear: poverty, criticism, ill health, loss of love, old age, and death. These fears are mental weeds. Identify and uproot them. Replace fear with desire, faith, and positive action. Don't let fear choke out your dreams. Use the tools in this book to build a fortress of positive thought. You control your state of mind. Clear the way for success. That's Think and Grow Rich in a nutshell. 13 principles and 6 fears to conquer. This isn't just about money. It's about mastering your mind and shaping your destiny. Remember, whatever the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve. You are the master of your fate. If you found value here, hit subscribe, like, and share this video. Which principle will you start practicing today? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching the Money Mind Book Club. See you next time.